Hello everyone, this is part G of name reaction series, and in this video we are going to cover name reactions starting with alphabet G. In this video we are going to cover following name reactions, that is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction, Gattermann reaction and Gattermann-Koch reaction. Our first reaction is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. It is a convenient method for the preparation of primary amines. The starting compound in this reaction is thalamide, which may be obtained by heating phthalic acid with ammonia. In this reaction, thalamide is first reacted with alcoholic solution of KOH. It gives potassium thalamide. Then potassium thalamide is reacted with suitable alkyl halide or aryl alkyl halide to get N-alkyl thalamide. Then N-alkyl thalamide is hydrolyzed in the presence of dilute HCl under pressure, giving primary alkyl or primary aryl alkyl amine. Now covering general example of Gabriel-Thalamide reaction, we are going to react thalamide with alcoholic solution of KOH. After the reaction, H part of thalamide and OH part of alcoholic KOH will be removed in the form of HOH, that is water. Potassium will attach to thalamide forming potassium thalamide. Then potassium thalamide is reacted with haloalkane, which is commonly known as alkyl halide. After the reaction, K part of potassium thalamide and X, that is halogen part of alkyl halide, is removed in the form of potassium halide, that is KX. After reaction, N-alkyl thalamide is formed. This N-alkyl thalamide is then reacted with 2 moles of water in the presence of dilute HCl and pressure is applied. After reaction, phthalic acid and 1 degree amine, that is primary amine, is obtained. Now taking proper example of Gabriel-Thalamide reaction, we are going to react thalamide with alcoholic KOH initially. This will provide potassium thalamide. Then this potassium thalamide will be reacted with chloromethane. After the reaction, K part of potassium thalamide, Cl, that is chloride part of chloromethane, is removed in the form of potassium chloride. After reaction, N-methyl thalamide is formed. This N-methyl thalamide is then reacted with H2O in the presence of HCl and pressure is applied. Upon hydrolysis, N-methyl thalamide gives phthalic acid as a side product and methenamine or methylamine as a main product. It is a very convenient method for the preparation of primary amines. Our second reaction is Gattermann reaction. In this reaction, an aqueous solution of diazonium salt is heated with copper powder and the corresponding halogen acid. In this reaction, N2X group of benzene diazonium halide is replaced by halogen, either Cl or Br. After reaction, halobenzene is formed. Now taking proper example of Gattermann reaction, we are going to react benzene diazonium chloride with copper in the presence of HCl. After the reaction, chlorobenzene is formed and nitrogen is obtained as side product. If we want to form bromobenzene, then in place of HCl we have to take HBr. Now our third reaction is Gettermann-Koch reaction. In this reaction, benzene or its derivatives are reacted with carbon monoxide and HCl gas in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl. After the reaction, benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde is obtained. It is a very simple method for the preparation of benzaldehyde. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.